Welcome to iPECS. In this video we will show you how to log into the iPECS cloud portal to manage your extension or company phone system. Before we get started, you will need your iPECS user ID and user password. These will have been provided to you during the setup phase. Please contact your system administrator if you're not sure of any of these details. First, navigate to customer.ipecs-cloud.co.uk in your web browser. If you are logging in to manage your personal extension, select User. If you are logging in to manage your company's phone system or a colleague's extension, select Manager. Now enter your iPECS user ID and user password and press Login. You're now logged into the iPECS cloud portal. If you need to reset your password, press the Forgot the User Password link, then enter your user ID and the email address associated with it. If you're not sure what either of these are, please contact your system administrator. Pressing Send Email will trigger a password reset message. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password.